President Murmu was in Prayagraj earlier today as part of a visit. The president took a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Saraswati rivers. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath accompanied her. President Draupadi Murmu reached Prayagraj on Monday and took a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam in Mahakumbh. The president was welcomed by the governor of UP, Anandiben Patel, and the chief minister. The president will be in Mahakumbh today for some time, and at around 5:45 she is returning to Delhi. She has witnessed the grandeur and the spiritual significance of the largest religious gathering in the world. On the 5th of February, remember, the Prime Minister also took a holy dip in Prayagraj. Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and many other political leaders and celebrities have taken the dip in Prayagraj. A sea of vehicles stretching up to hundreds of kilometers transformed roads leading to the Mahakumbh into parking lots. Lakhs of pilgrims found themselves stranded in their vehicles. As per latest figures, over 43 crore devotees have visited the Mahakumbh already.
You are in Mahakumbh, and my first straight question to you is, how is your experience here in the past 24 hours?
You know, what I love the most about being here is the feeling of community and the feeling of togetherness and belonging. So I feel everybody is here with the same aim in mind, that they want to go for the Sangam, the Snan, and be here for the blessings of our gods and live a very blessed life hereafter. So I think everybody is here with the same aim, and of course they want to witness the Mahakumbh after 144 years. So I really like that feeling and the feeling of belonging.
Have you taken the holy dip?
I have, yes.
How's the feeling when you reached near Sangam, where the Triveni, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati all come together?
It was a beautiful sight, and again, like I said, the feeling of enjoyment on the faces of people, that was a really good sight to behold. And for me, it was really special because my father was also here and he joined me. I came from Mumbai and he came from Delhi especially. As soon as he realized that I'm coming, it was a very impromptu decision, but as soon as he realized, he also came down and we both did the dip together. So it was a very special family moment as well.
So your father planned the trip after knowing that his daughter is coming there?
Yes. So for me, it was a very, initially I wasn't planning on coming, but then I decided, why not? I mean, this is such a unique opportunity, so why not? So I came down, and as soon as I planned, he decided, okay, I'm also coming.